Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So firstly, wishing you all a very happy new year. So today I'll be showing you all how to stitch denim crop top out of old pair of jeans at home. Hope you all will like it. I'll be showing the steps here so you can follow these steps. If you have any questions, then do drop it in the comment section below. So finally, my denim crop top is ready to wear. Hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.